What's up guys, man? I want to go in and start this video right now. I'm so excited. I've been waiting nearly 2 weeks for this package right here for my Mercedes. I had this item before, but the other one broke in and blew off on me on the highway. And man, I spent a lot of money on that one. But this one is going to be way better, way slicker, way more modern, and way cleaner. Well, I don't know, all them words sound about the same, but man, I'm really excited for this item. I got an 18-wheeler that's coming to me right now. Yeah, call me. He was going to drop it off to my neighborhood, which is right down the road from me. Right now, I'm like doing some work at a nearby store. I was like, you know what? Hey, man, come back to the store with the 18-wheeler because you got plenty of space to be turning and stuff instead of going through my neighborhood where it's going to be really super tight and iffy and all that, and possibly holding up traffic and all that because it's like a 2-lane road. And you got a lot of traffic and all that usually. But anyway, I'm really excited. I'm ready to show y'all this item when the truck get here. I'm gonna give y'all a little footage and I'm gonna show y'all the item. I might have to leave the item here, go to the house, get my car and install it here, or just put it on top of my van right here and just take it home, which is right down the road. I don't know, I might just end up leaving it in here, coming back and just installing it here. So man, let's get to it, y'all. All right guys, so he pulling up. Oh yeah. All right guys, so it's right here, as y'all can see, right on the pallet. And boy, I cannot wait to get this on my old little Merc. I'm so ready right now. Anyway guys, this is it right here. I'm actually ready to open it up and just see how it looks. So I might be able to fit this in my van and take it home and install it later. But man, so cool guy, easy delivery. RL Carriers, y'all had me skeptical for a moment. All week I've been calling them trying to make sure, because I've been seeing updates that, you know, it's here and all, but they've been cool, man, I tell you. But anyway, we're gonna open her up right now. All right guys, here she is. I couldn't wait. I had to open it up right now and had to see it. As y'all can see, we got the INNO advanced car it's car racks, but this is a cargo box. We got the Wedge 660. We do have it in gloss black. It say aerodynamics, low profile design, giving your vehicle a stylish, elegant appearance and creating a superior noise reduction. So man, I'm ready to look at this thing. So I had a cargo box before. It was a little fat and it kind of a little short, and I really didn't dig it. I liked it, but yeah, I know I wanted to go with this brand, so why not? I was gonna get a Mercedes cargo box, but why do that? So I think I'm going to unravel it for y'all. It's like a Christmas gift. I paid $958 for it, if I ain't mistaken. So I think it was, I forgot how much it was, but I know it taxed me $50, and then but it was up there though, so I spent nearly $1,000 on a cargo box. Good thing about this cargo box, it got a lock feature, so I can lock it, keep my stuff safe. Not having to worry about nobody taking it or anything. So I'm actually excited to put this on my Mercedes right here. It's gonna look so freaking good. I can see it right now. I already got my cargo rack and my bike rack that I put together. So I got a nice ass setup and all that. My Merc though, I still want to do some other stuff to make sure it's road worthy. It's road worthy, but I just want to freshen up some things. The car only had like 167,000 miles, but I do want to show y'all this bad boy here. So let me unravel this. I'm just so excited right now. All right guys, here she is. So we got the logo on the side right here, as y'all can see. INNO. I think I can open it up here. I don't know if I can open it up. Wait. I might not be able to. But anyway, this is the bottom side right here. And as y'all can see, we got the lock right here. Okay, I think I had to press this button. We got the keys right here. I guess I go to take these keys while I have it. As you can see, it's in the lock position probably, so Let's see about opening this thing up. But man, I can't wait to put this on the Merc. All right, guys, so we put the key in here. So that's unlocked. This is locked. So let's just press this button and see if she open up. Don't know if she's gonna open up. Oh yeah, there we go. Woo! Oh wow, okay. Wow. Wow, guys. All right, so that's how far she opened up, which is actually pretty damn nice. Wow. Inside right here. Wow, everything look pretty good in here. We got the instructions right here. We got the box with the clamps. I believe the clamps just slide on this little thing right here, which is actually pretty neat. But we're gonna mess with it a little bit more later. But I'm about to close it back up, lock it, and booyah. So guys, I am on one of my favorite back roads. I got the cargo box above me. It is so freaking quiet. No noise or anything. I'm gonna give y'all an outside view on how she looks. I think I'm gonna get some new bars because my crossbars I had them for like a couple of years. I got some end caps that's missing. I'll probably show y'all. But overall, I like the look of it. Everything is very practical. I already put some stuff in there to hold. So we got plenty of extra space. So right now I'm just on my favorite scenic route. Gonna take me a bike ride. Got my bike all the way in the back as y'all can see. So make a pit stop at this one town, then go around my bike at another town, and then head back to the house. So yeah, it's early morning, so I'm feeling good. All right, guys, so this is how she look. Nice slick design. So I was on the road yesterday. I driven all the way to Virginia, not in this car, but my other car. And man, on the highway, I seen a lot of people with cargo boxes, but theirs was like all bulky and stuff. I never liked the bulky cargo boxes. I mean, they work and all that, depending on what you got to put it in there. But me, I want to go with something more slicker and all. And I really do like it. As you can see, it kind of go overhead. It provides a lot of shade. I am not gonna lie. It provides a lot of shade. And like I said, I was thinking about replacing these. I think I lost the key, I think. But y'all see the end caps missing on them. I probably can find one. Anyway, INNO. Yes, sir. She look nice. And I like the back too. I like this. I might add decals. Nah, I might just leave that alone. And as y'all can see, I got my bike with my cooler. It's also a rack. I got a rack on my Tahoe. This one this was like just a regular bike rack. And what I did, I just added to this bad boy right here. She is nice and stout on here. So I did that conversion and all. So I'm really excited. But I feel like I got a nice setup here going. I'm going to be needing this for like a long road trips that I want to go on, take this car on. Like I said, I do want to get some new shocks for all around. The bad thing about this car right here, or W210s in general, depending on what area you in, these cars are known to rust. So I'm getting some rust spots right here, as you can see. It's starting to happen. Mercedes, they went really cheap with the paint and all that, like really cheap. And I need to get this dinger out. I accidentally hit up against this fender. Just need to get it a little dinged out. Let me show y'all some more spots. See, you got some little chips right here. I mean, it's starting to rust, but it happens when a rock or something hit this paint. It's very brittle. Got some kind of around the gas tank and then right here. This is not 8N or anything, but I do need to take care of it though. But depending where your car is located, like if you're in like an Arizona, California area where it's really dry and it's, you know, not humid, because I've been in California on that side before and the weather is great over there. But over here in Georgia and all that, man, South Carolina, North Carolina, these areas over here, Tennessee and all, man, it's very humid and all that. But that's the only thing that sucks. I probably need to do like a paint correction. I do want to repaint this car. So I gotta get another car straightened out before I do that, because, you know, painting a car, you're gonna want it right and all. Well, overall, paint looked pretty good. Just got like minor little chips and all that. I do want to repaint these wheels sometime in the future, but as is, I'm just driving it as is. But I'm satisfied. I love this car, man. I do. I appreciate it. It's a great car, 167,000 miles. We did a lot of work on it and still going to continue to do something so we keep this car on the road. But man, I love the Mercedes. I love the styling of this car. I don't know, something about it. And this is the sports package edition. I do need to get my little caps and all that I've been missing for a couple years. I do need to take this car to the dealer. Need to do that just to get something checked. I'm probably gonna end up replacing a battery in here sometime soon. Getting like a brand new battery. Get a new water pump. Just for general maintenance purposes. Nothing ain't going on with them, but I just want to be on the safe side. And the reason why I might need to go to the dealer so I can get that coolant that coolant sensor, I guess recalibrate it, reset it. I do have a computer. I need to see if I could do it like that, but I doubt it. So I can monitor my coolant temp and all. But overall, she been lovely. And I added these visors and all that. They come in clutch. Oh, we did an AC. AC still blowing nice. This is my favorite part right here. This area right here. Just looks so clean. Ooh, I can't wait till I drive this some more. So I am going to be going snowboarding and stuff. And I'm going to be putting some snowboards in there. So it's going to be very useful and all. Anyway, guys, let's see y'all. I hope y'all have a great one. I'm finna get going. Finna go on a bike ride. Go to a near town. Go on a bike ride and then go home. So, yeah. All right, guys, on a bike ride right now. Actually finishing up. But look at the Merc, y'all. From a distance. Look at the Merc from a distance.